I'm Santina with WTI, and I just have to tell you about this bathtub that I found from SHUIMEIYAN. I have been looking for a bathtub solution because we live in an apartment where there is only showers. So I was really missing my baths, and this really does the trick. I love this bathtub. Let me tell you about some of the great features. My favorite feature is the barrel shape. I can sit in it Indian style or with my knees up. I have plenty of room. It's nice and big. As you can see, here I am in the bathtub. But the thing that I really like is that with the barrel shape, the water comes up high enough that as much of me as I want is covered with that water. And that is just what I was looking for. So that has been absolutely perfect. But it's also really easy to drain, which I find super helpful. I was worried about that. And all you have to do is open the drain knob on the outside and the majority of the water drains out. But it also has a little drain at the bottom of the tub that you can open to get that last little bit. This has been a lifesaver for me here in this apartment, and I really love it, and I hope you love it too. And that's my point of view.